Today I am going to bring you a little bit of information. You know how it is, guys. Whenever I see any information that I think that will benefit all my viewers, I do not hesitate in bringing the awareness. So guys, today there is a project that will be airdropping in Bybit Exchange. So I'm going to bring you to Bybit Exchange to show you how you are going to benefit in this airdrop that will be dropping down in Bybit Exchange. So just relax, follow everything I'm going to show you in this video, and you will definitely going to be benefiting in the airdrops. So mind you, airdrop is just like a free money that you grab exchanges, and however it comes is an airdrop. You can grab all that for free, so do not hesitate. So if you are a crypto lover and you want to learn how you can maximize your profits, how you can actually grow your portfolio, this is the right place for you. Welcome to Ham's channel. In this channel, I bring you a whole lot of information that will help you to grow in this crypto space. So whenever you need anything crypto, do not hesitate to come to this place to get the informations. This is the hottest place, and I'm dropping banger every now and then. So relax while I introduce you to Bybit Exchange Launchpad. I've made a video like this before, and in case if you want to see those videos, you can refer back to that. Check on the list of my videos, you will see that. But for this particular project, this video is directing to it alone. So we are here in Bybit Exchange, guys. If this is your first time coming across this exchange, kindly make sure that you register Bybit Exchange using my referral link, because I'll be dropping it down in the description of this video. Make sure that you use it to register, because that's gonna give you an extra bonus, you know, just for registering alone. And there's so many more that you have to gain when you use my referral link. All right, so in this video we will dive into the launchpad project, and I will show you the project that is going on, and I will show you also how you will prepare yourself in order to take part in this. So here is the launchpad. You click on it. Once you open the app, when you click on it, is going to take you into the launchpad list, and this is the project that is going on right now. So this project was listed yesterday, and anyone can take part in the airdrop. So how do you collect some of this airdrop that will be dropping on this particular project? It's very simple. You only have to go and deposit some BIT token into this exchange. If you don't have BIT token, you can convert some of your other token. If you have USDT, you will use it to buy BIT token in order to be qualified. So the hodling period will just last about 6 days. So it's actually 7 days, but for a period of 6 days and more, that's 6 days and 13 hours, you will be qualified to get some of the airdrop of this particular project called TAP. So TAP here, they said, is a play to earn in the land of Odon. I don't know much about this particular project, but the thing here is you don't really care about the project, so you are just here to collect the airdrop. All you have to do is position yourself in order to collect airdrop, and once you collect the airdrop, you can sell it off immediately and you're good to go. So in order to qualify, make sure that you have some BIT token. So BIT token is just Bybit's exchange native token. Buy it is very simple. Let me show you how you can buy it. Let's dive in. I will go back and go to trade. When you click on trade right here, then here you can search for BIT. Just type BIT, BIT. Yeah, let's say you are going to buy that with USDT, USDC, or even Bitcoin, anyone. So you just click on it and type the amount that you want to buy. You know, let's say you want to buy let's say $100 worth. You type $100 and mind you, you must make sure that you have USDT in order to be able to buy the BIT token. So if you don't have it, whichever token you have at all, you can actually sell it for USDT and then use the USDT to buy the BIT token. It's that simple. All right, so once you have your BIT token, you are ready. You are set to go. Just allow it and then wait for the countdown. The countdown will last for 6 days and 13 hours. So you just keep coming back here to check after 6 days, and then once the period changes, just keep following up, because at the end of 6 days you are going to commit whichever BIT token that you have in order to be able to claim the airdrop. So it's that simple. Remember, you must make sure that you have BIT token, and if you have not registered, use my referral link. It will be in the description of this video. So I'm bringing you this information for free. At least all you have to do for me is just register with my referral links. And if this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome, and please remember to subscribe. I keep making videos like this. All I do in this channel is about crypto, and if you need me to make any particular video about crypto or on any topic at all, make sure you drop it in the comment section of this video. And remember, this is not a financial advice. I am only doing this as a way to educate you on how to do some certain things on crypto exchange. So that being said, thank you for watching, and always stick to this channel. Like, subscribe, and click on the notification button so that you keep getting the notification of my videos anytime I drop one. Have a nice day.